Well, here we are talking to Chris, and we're watching
Hello.
the Peregrine Falcon. Say hello, Chris.
Hello, this is fun. Anybody that wants to come and check out the Falcons.
Yeah, this is our Peregrine Falcon. We're looking at her now. Still finishing up here. Just working in there and getting it all squared away. See what she's going to do here. Working on that wing now. She looks pretty content. Now she's going to do the breast feathers a little bit. I like it watching when she preens. Keeps her feathers all oiled up, all straightened out. She likes this perch. It must be a cap on it. It must be comfortable on her feet because she sits there every day. I mean, she just likes it there. Alright, looks like she's kind of going to get under her wing now, see? There you go. Draw them through her beak there and get them all straightened out. Getting under there. It's a Peregrine Falcon in the middle of a preening session.